Okay, here's a chicken coop we just finished building. There's where the chickens go in. They have a little area to roam around. This is the nesting box. Yep. Sorry, chicken. There's 3 of them. And then we'll give you a peek inside. I'll stand back so you can see. So you can see the nesting boxes are back over here. There's just a little perch for them to sit on. There's a window in the back. Well, not a window, but an opening. So that'll open and flip down in the summer, give them some air. Got a heat lamp. That's where they come in and out. This plywood's little boats. I just made these to kind of keep it closed. Some of it's just scrap wood, some of it's new. Built the door. Hey chicken, stay inside. And I'll show you the back side here.